In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a Framer site with AI. So it's actually quite simple. First, you want to go to framer.com and you want to sign into your account. And then once you do this here on framer.com, the homepage, it says start with AI or start for free. So click on start with AI to actually start building your site with AI. And then in here, you can fill in whatever you want. So this is going to be a prompt. So it can be create a landing page for, etc. For this instance, we're just going to see create a landing page for my drop shipping. There we go. Business. It sells let's say it sells books or something like that, so it's gonna work for now. I'm gonna just click on this button over here and then it's going to start loading, and as you can see, it's going to give you this website where it's gonna start loading a bit and it's gonna essentially start generating your things. As you can see here on the left, you can see your AI basically doing its magic, and over here everything is going on your screen. Okay, so it's still thinking and you can see it actually building the website live, so you can see what's going on. And as you can see, it says your dropshipping landing page for book is ready. Now here you can of course add in whatever you want. So for example, let's say here you want to add something different. Let's say make it more colorful or something like that. Of course you can do whatever you want with this. It will give you different suggestions which you can either of course take into account or not. It doesn't really matter. It's completely up to you, whatever you want to do. And then once that's done, there we go. It said it brightened up everything. It actually did, in case you're paying attention. And I'm gonna, let's say, over here it says replace features with 3 cards. Let's try this. Let's see what that's gonna look like. And yeah, you can basically just create whatever you want. You can then add in your own things as well and make them customize that. And yeah, you can create your own website for whatever you could possibly want and need. So this is actually quite a convenient feature, and it makes it very, very easy to build a great site with Framer using their AI called Wireframer over here. And yes, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.